Hey guys, Resume here. I want to do something that I hadn't done a while today, and instead found something else. So originally I was going to do quick draw, but I decided to take a look at the other AI experiments. It's been a while since I've looked at them, and I found one called Autodraw. Apparently, this is basically the reverse of quick draw. Um, in this case, you are drawing a picture. Well, not the reverse. It's more of a similar thing, but not. Uh, the exact same thing. So you start drawing a picture, and then uh, it guesses what you're attempting to draw based off of what you've done so far. I played around with it a little bit. It's very good at it, actually. It gives you a list at the top of what it could be. You have a whole bunch of different things you can do. Uh, but yeah, I really can't explain it, so I'm just going to go and show it. All right, so I'm going to draw something that just looks bad because, well, no matter what I'm going to draw, it's going to end up looking bad. But well, it recognizes that it's an animal for the most part. I bet if I do some shag here, it'll figure it out. Sure enough, horse shows up. So as you can see, it's basically a way that you can make different designs and just using your own skills, no matter how limited or talented they may be. I actually can draw a decent horse, though not on a computer. Uh, I'm not sure what the stars mean, but you can see that there were other options that I thought of that could also have worked. So just the horse head here, a bear, I guess, dachshund, cow, which I'm not surprised it all came up, foxes, that kind of thing. Uh, where is the here we go. I want to do this, and now I can delete, right? Yep. Okay, so that's how that works. So you can just draw on your own too. From what I've read, it's possible to save your images or upload them to the cloud for other people to use, stuff like that. You can type. There is a fill tool. You can start with different shapes. So let's try making a scene here. We're going to go with green first. And I'm betting this will work. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Grass. This is probably the closest to what I actually wanted. And we can take our selection tool and move it, I believe. I think we can resize it as well. Yep, okay, that works for me. I'm obviously just doing something really simple here. I'm not going to be going too far into this. I just think this is a really cool thing. I'm always into these kinds of projects. These are always interesting, and I really do love how this one is working. Uh, Next, let's do red. Oops, I'm still selected. Don't want to be selected anymore. There we go. Now, let's do red. And we are going to use the shape tool. So we're going to take a box here, take a triangle. I don't know how this is going to... let's see what happens if I select and go to Autodraw. Nope. Okay, so that's not going to work out how I thought it was. Alright, so still going to be on red. Alright, this one I'm going to do a bit more with. Mainly because I can. And I'm honestly kind of surprised that mine appears to be the only one done in that style. Maybe if I add more to it, it'll do more. Guess not. Uh, well, maybe if I just do this. I thought maybe I could switch colors for different lines, but it looks like it's a bit limited there. So obviously this is a very awkwardly designed house. So let's see what our different options are here. I assume stars means it's the closest to what I can figure out, but I don't know for sure. So get a big apartment building there. Nice ranch house. It is probably the closest to what I was going to for. A hut, I guess. Different type of hut. 2-floor with garage. Another type of hut. Another type of ranch house. Definitely a house, but I'm not sure what's the shape is there. So yeah, it definitely got that I was going for a house. Even as a boathouse. Though that might just be a boat, I don't know. Let's see, the one that was closest to what I wanted was this one. And of course we need to size this up so it actually, whoop, didn't want to do that. I don't know if there's a way to put it in the back or not, but in any case, it works. So, next up, going to need yellow or, yeah, yellow's going to be better. I'm seeing how bad I can make this sun before it figures out what I'm going for. Not long at all, honestly. Yeah, it's off the page, but it works. Alright. Can't tell if that thing's still selected or not. I guess we'll find out. It is not good. Okay. We'll want black for the outline here. We're just going to add some clouds. Somehow it does not recognize that as a cloud. So, no, that's not what I want to do. Okay, so there's apparently some layering issues here. Okay, there we go. But still, it's pretty cool for what it's doing. There we go. Now it recognizes that it's a cloud. The last thing we need to do, I'm going to use orange for this, is put some birds in the sky. And yeah, if you do it enough, it recognizes it as a bird. Okay. That's a butt. That's a bird, though. That's the Twitter bird, isn't it? Yeah, so it basically goes off the basic shapes that you're drawing and then sees what it can make from that, I guess. Again, really cool. I love things like this. They are so neat. And now it's time to use the fill tool because I have not actually seen how this works. And okay, so it'll fill in any blank space. I thought maybe it would only fill in where I designate, but it fills in everything. Uh, okay, so that is Autodraw. Really neat AI program. Definitely going to be playing around with this more because I could see having some fun with this. So thank you guys for watching. At some point this week, there will be a double video to make up for there not being one last night. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and have a great time wherever you may be. Bye, guys.